Gyda fi, iawn, gyda fi, right? Dim siarad, zip, 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 fel hyn, iawn. Dwi'n mynd.
Dwi'n mynd.
Oh, sorry.
Oh yeah, automatically. Dwi'n mynd.
Dwi'n mynd.
Dwi'n mynd. Rwy ti'n mynd. Dwi'n mynd. Rwy ti'n mynd. Dwi'n mynd. Rwy ti'n mynd. Mae e'n mynd. Mae hi'n mynd. Mae e'n mynd. Mae hi'n mynd. Dyn ni'n mynd. Dyn ni'n mynd. Dych chi'n mynd. Dych chi'n mynd. Mae nhw'n mynd. Mae nhw'n mynd. Mae nhw'n mynd. Ardderchog, da iawn. Nawr te, gyda'r siarad, a byddai'n cyfieithu, translate as we go, iawn? Felly, dwi'n mynd.
Dwi'n mynd.
Beth ydi dwi'n mynd?
I am going.
Da iawn. Neu I go. Yeah? Peidiwch a ffonio. Rwy ti'n mynd.
Rwy ti'n mynd.
Right, so dyn ni'n gwybod beth ydi ti because of how are you? How are you? How are you?
Sut wyt ti?
Ti, sut wyt ti? So, ti means you.
You.
So, you are going. Rwy ti'n mynd.
You.
Iawn?
Oh, really?
Neu you go. Felly, mae e'n mynd?
Mae e'n mynd.
Beth ydi mae e'n mynd?
He is going.
Da iawn. Neu he goes.
Ar y nerfs fi.
Da iawn.
Mynd i'r gyrra mwyn.
Beth am mae hi'n mynd?
Na.
Mae hi'n mynd. She is going.
She's going.
Dwylo.
Ie. Siarad
Siarad eich dwylo.
She goes. Ardderchog.
Achos ma.
Beth ydi? Dyn ni'n mynd.
We go.
Da iawn.
We are going.
Neu we go. Beth ydi dych chi'n mynd? Dych chi'n mynd. So beth am, like, how are you? Eto? Should chi? Should chi? So, mae hwn
Plural.
a hwn
Yeah.
yn golygu yr un peth, same thing, iawn? Ond, dych chi'n gwybod y gwahaniaeth, y difference, right? Hwn ydy un person, you, one person. Chi ydy you, like all of you people. Ddim just ti, ond chi. Yeah, so ddim ti, ond chi. So, singular, un person, llawer o bobl, lots of people. Neu, yn Gymraeg, very respectful. Os dyn ni'n siarad gyda rhywun yr un oed, if we're talking to somebody the same age as us, or somebody we know very well, we can use this T form, yeah? So, dwi'n ffrindiau gyda chi. Now, I'm friends with you now, so dwi'n dweud, should I ti? Because I know you well enough, yeah? Ond gyda phobl sy'n hyn, older people, or if you want to show respect, or you don't know them very well, then should chi, yeah? So, if anybody's done any French, it's that to, vous difference, yeah? Ond peidiwch a phoeni. You won't offend anybody if you call them chi or ti, as long as you're siarad Cymraeg. You can't offend them, mae'n iawn. Okay, felly, yn ola, mae nhw'n mynd.
Mae nhw'n mynd.
Which is?
They're
They're going.
Da iawn.